If your phone's display has turned gray, it's likely due to sleep mode being enabled. While this feature conserves battery life and minimizes distractions, you can easily disable it to retain vibrant colors on your screen. Let's explore two methods. The first method is to use the Quick Settings panel. To access the Quick Settings panel, swipe down from the top of the screen twice. Once there, swipe left to reveal additional tiles. Look for the Sleep Mode tile. Since it's currently enabled, tap on it. Your screen color will revert back to normal. The second method involves the Settings menu. Open the Settings app, then tap on Modes and Routines. Select Sleep and tap the Turn Off button to disable sleep mode immediately. Now that you understand why your phone displays grayscale during sleep mode, consider exploring other uses for this feature. Whether it's conserving battery life or minimizing distractions, sleep mode can be a useful tool. Thanks for watching.